Hey guys, this is WRockMK here, back with another video, and today is the December Wrestlecrate. I got it yesterday. I didn't even get an email saying that it sent out, so I was pretty shocked when I opened up my front door and realized the crate came today. So I'll show you what's inside of it. Half of it's okay, the other half I really like, so to me it was a really iffy crate. First thing is you got an exclusive Undertaker t-shirt. And I hate the design on this thing so much. It's just literally a hand and it says 25. It's so stupid. Like, you had so much time to make an awesome Undertaker t-shirt, and it's just, yeah. So, this t-shirt is probably going to be giving this one away to some of my friends that watch wrestling just so they can have a t-shirt. This is, got a little card thingy. As you can see, I did do, big boxes that have the autographs of these in here, so I do have most of these cards already. So I pre-opened it, and I got Bray Wyatt card, Roddy Piper card, nice WrestleMania 10 Bret the Hitman Hart card, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat goes into the Hall of Fame, the Rock and Stock Connection reunion at WrestleMania 20, and a Brock Lesnar card. Oh, and Seth Rollins. You sneak behind that one. So yeah, pretty decent cards. I'll probably just add it on to one of my boxes that have. Then we have a breakable table for anyone who does, I guess they play with their figures. I don't. I just keep them in the boxes. So I'll probably just put this out by the belt that I got two from them. Then we got this, which is really neat. It's a kind of like a bottle and beer opener too. It has a Wrestlecrate symbol on it. So I really do like this. I probably will be using this and attaching it to a keychain. That probably will come in handy at some point. And last two things are the main reason why I love this crate this month. I got the figure I've been really hoping to find. And I know I just showed it, but Stephanie McMahon Elite. I was so hoping to get this one. I saw people on YouTube get Bray Wyatt and Stephanie. And I was like, if I get Bray, I'm literally going to like throw the figure in the middle of the road because I can't stand Bray Wyatt. And I opened it up and it was Stephanie. And I literally like, jumped for joy when I saw this. There's the sides. Here's the other side. And then the back. This is a SummerSlam attire that she faced Brie Bella in. SummerSlam 2014. Which is a really good match. I do love the details on the figure too. As you can see, they did that. And on the legs, it'd be hard to see, but they actually have the details in the legs too. Of it. So yeah, this is an amazing figure. I do have the Dean Malenko right here. It's in a figure update video. It should be the last one. And the very last thing I got is the autograph that you get every single month. And this is by far, I think, the best autograph next to the Young Bucks. Kurt Angle. Oh, this is an amazing autograph. This is definitely going up on the list of things I want to get framed immediately and hung up. But yeah, Kurt Angle. So overall, really great Wrestlecrate this month. I didn't care for the t-shirt. Other than that, I really did like everything else that came in it. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because there'll be more to come.